Hello and welcome back to NCH Software Academy. Today I would love to teach you something which is very different as usual. Today I would love to show you how to stripe, how can I name this? How to split, good, I think this is a good name. How to split your videos to show in different parts. I hope you did see the thumbnail, how to split screen. So this will be our first video. And I will add this as our second video. Put it as an overlay. We can come in this position and drag it down, and this is our third video, third clip, then put it as an overlay. So we have 3 videos, one on top of another, and what we'll have to do is to split those videos so that I can see them all. So the first thing you need to do is just to come in this position. It depends how you want to do it. There are so many different ways. Let me show you the easiest way. Come in effects, then automatically that will show, then you come here and split screen. So there are so many different ways. Then you can come here. We want to show 3 videos, so this is how it will be shown. But we want 3 vertical, then this is how it will be shown. So we take this video, we come here again. We know this is our first video. We need just to drag it and push it a little bit upwards. That is it. That is the car. We need to show it around this position. You don't just have to put it then leave it there. You need to make sure it's appear in a good spot. Then for our second video, okay, just ignore it. You can come to your second video, you click effects again and make it and focus on the second part. This is the only part you need to focus on. That's good. Then for the first part, you can just come here and you can just click you just leave it like that for now. Okay, let's make sure we choose wise. This is this and this. Okay, let's go to the third video. So the third video definitely needs to be the bottom one. You can come here, go to effects, go to split screen. We go to the third one. You go to block C. Obviously it will be the third one, and we're done. Another thing we can do, we can see around this part, that's where our video ends. So you can come around this area and we can click L to cut it. Then we can click here to delete the tails, those tails. Why can I delete that tail? Click delete, select the tail and you click delete, and that is it. Let me play it. Hope you can see. So different videos on a different screen section. So that is how guys you split screen. You can do it so many different ways. Let me try to change it for the last time and use a different view. Let's go on this one. We can select this one. We know this one is on the second the C part. That will be very complicated. Let's go to horizontal and put it on C. There we can come to this one. and go to effects, change it to horizontal 3, because you have 3 videos. This video is it A? I don't remember, but I believe it's A. Good, this one is B. Okay, we are on the right track. Sometimes you can also change it around this position, but I prefer to select here. Then everything changed. Then that's how your video will be. So guys, it depends to you on how you want to make it, but I like it the vertical way. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please leave a comment in the comment section if you can't understand what I just did, or you want me to explain further. It was not that hard, but I'm willing to show you guys if you get confused in your way of doing this. Thank you so much guys. Feel blessed.